Pini laso video long nali tumpan hinia voreng AWARSAI APUTHAK si nang than pachini ponik po kopia voreng AWARSAI ma kon ana post vacancies sidoma kachar leng deng ko ans nang jima laso details manga nali tum laso video arlosi thekpon long ikpo lape nali tum jong si laso YouTube channel na anta subscribe kre lang pulte pada depin pen nali tum subscribe igon latest update nali tum kilong wer ji afan adung head bell arjans tame theklong ji hodak tame nali tum ber ponik denon lape nali tum telegram channel lape WhatsApp group long jong si nang join den pulte nali tum dakpen VORENG update lapen kapre ka son update tame nali tum longpon ikpo tang non pathiek pen kopia VORENG AWARSAI ma kon ana post vacancies sidoma la so details non langpon onang lapen chethan pononang tang non pathiek pen kamrup judiciary recruitment details dag langpon onang lapen chethan pononang jongsin nali tum jogdun igwexi pulote la so video labang ken nali tum kicheng pen kijut an langpon igon kicheng si dag number 1 nali tum thek ponongi office assistants position funds tame dag post mate vacancies labang ke isi andak pipon lo lapen la so assistants fund kinangji kachar liang deng labang ke ta nalitum theklangi must hold a graduate mate degree ki untang nangpo lape proficiency in basis word process and computer operation mate computer anasta me thek nangpo lape the ability to take dictation and enter data accurately lape knowledge file maintenance and processing lahaita dak thek nangpo mate computer asais tame thek nangpo lapen salary nali tum dak per month 12,000 longpon exi lapen putha dak number 2 long bangke langpon ona number 2 long bangke pion post apan dak post bang ke onkali isiwet lapen qualification labang ke dak kachar lini angdeng kenangji pion post apan labang ke maximum director minimum qualification la ke class 8 pass nangpo but not class 12 ke pass bang dan angnes tame la class 8 bang pass wek nangpo lapen kadu ka we pen apus labang ke dak ke ongdoi bang kali hini andus tame piponeng ji pomasini li puthot na li tumpan nawan pitu iklo lapen ka apply ni a process man sonal candidate interested in this position are required to the follow application procedure outline below kadu ka we details dak tok pon igedlo jong sinali tum jogdun igwexi pulote lapen dak ke tok ponating application must submit their application along with relevant documents to the Secretary District Legal Service Authority Kamrup Amingao Judicial Court Complex Kamrup Amingao pin number 78103 la sodim sinalitum dampen stame humre dam ignangpo lapen dak deadline banalitum thek ponlong exi labangkel the last date of submission application 21st May 2024 up to 4 p.m. mate la sochiklo 21 May si last date la so frang nalitum jang si jogdon exi pulte prabjin pe jogdon nang ikpo la pendak documents required by candidate must include signed copies of relevant testimonial certificate regarding educational qualification, age, caste, employment exchange, registration card, experience certificate if any do pulote the pen and two recent passport size photo along with the application the pen recent passport size non nalitum kachothai mi so passport bang nang po photo pagni nang po lapen kedang so documents employment exchange nalitum pona po ka certificate lapen educational kachar liang deng lahaya certificates taminalitum pona po lapen contact number and direct contact information the applicant are required to provide their phone number preferably WhatsApp number and email in the application form without fail application form along nalitum mobile number mate WhatsApp number email ID nalitum ka fill up the nang sibang kinang sor lapen currently employment candidates who are currently employed must also through the proper channel upon the verification my original certificate all the supporting documents will be verified at the time of the interview upper labangke documents the verification ponpo important link nalitum la so article long lang iglo the advertisement details tame long ponik po application forms taminalitum dakpen long ponik po halapen pathiek pe nili nalitum fan advertisement details man than pichini ponik po screen along nalitum tek pon long exi la hello the advertisement alo apela so details tame nili nalitum fan telegram channel lapen whatsapp group long tame nili pipon ikpo lapen puthot non lang pon thunang kaprek woreng AWARSAI APUTHAK lapen puthot dak nalitum tek pon long ji NF railway recruitment vacancy details mate NF railway recruitment ahin pensi paklang pon iklo teacher of vacancies mate NF railway school principal klang poniklo teacher post afandak kinang sa postgraduate teachers mate PGT teachers da kaduk awepen file bangke 7 ando number of post bang nalitum jogdun exhibit jogdun iktame son thak sidak subject wise tak kethan pon mate paklang pon dolo aprangsi biology afan AC nangji history afan inut nangji lapen computer science afan stame inut nangji lapen hindi afan stalo lapen political science afan stame AC nang po lapen dak bengali afan stame AC nang po apus mate afai la bangke psychology afan stame da AC nang po kaduk awepen dak 7 an apus vacancies to lapen eligibility criteria bangkela sonlo master degree unang po lapen 50% marks tame alang litum long nang po lapen english lapen hindi medium an ahin benda chawlo lapen dak computer knowledge tame asap sudu nang po lapen puthot dak trained graduate teachers mate TGT funds tame dak kadok awepen post labang ke 8 ando nalitum dak jogdoni ple jogdon ikme lapen subject wise dak thak ponlo hindi along stame hindi lapen english along stame hindi nangji lapen sanskrit afan AC computer science afan AC pure science AC social science afan stame AC ana post pipon iklo eligibility criteria graduation complete nang po mate postgraduate unang po lapen TET teacher ong mi ong lo lapen professor teaching lake experience pa hindi pen english medium bangan thek nang po lapen primary mate PRT english medium afan stame kaduk awepen dak number of 4 and the post vacancies bang pipon neglo kachar leng senior secondary graduation unang po lapen ason thak sidak TET teacher nang po lapen work in interview will be held on 7 June sida interview by and post 7 June 2024 lapen adim labang ke railway HS school Alipurduar junction NF railway reporting time labang ke 8 am prang nang itu adak chitong nam ignang po lapen that candidate must appear for the interview with the prescribed application form original and self attested copies of relevant documents application form alog nalitum kadok awe documents tame pon ikanang po interview po hola so sinang litum pan interview jong se pass don nalitum thandon long po lapen pass people te labangke thandon long le dat po na sila so awareng AWARSAI nang than pon la hini awareng AWARSAI labangke la anchorlo lapen la so video nalitum share ikta kar beng long aras tame pelang nang lapen pachinik nang lapen la son update nalitum kilong werja fan la so YouTube channel labangke nalitum subscribe ko lapen la hini awareng AWARSAI APUTHAK details tame advertisements alus tame nili telegram channel long pik po whatsapp group long tame pik po lapen application forms tame nalitum telegram kalte whatsapp group long tame long pon ikpo tame dumi thak me ka duka ve kar british 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do advance tame nili pen KARDOM